What's up, everybody? This is Easy Dinero from Easy Designs, and today we'll be talking about the Economy Tap and Die set. I know a lot of people have been having problems with this because I know I have. I kind of figured out a way, to get it working well, and I'm going to show you guys that today. Today we're working with 0.59 millimeter 10 karat gold wire for some basket settings that I made. We're going to thread them for some screw back posts. You're going to need a vise to hold your die plate, and if you order the set with the box, it comes with a tap wrench, your die plate, and 14 of your taps per each hole on the die plate. So first we're going to grind down both ends of the post flat. And then on one end you take your cut burr and round it off on the end that you're going to thread it. And what I do is I use the tap wrench to hold my post, and I do small increments of the post, because if you hold it from the back it'll break. And there's 3 holes on there, as you see. I give the thumbs up to the other one, not the one that's alone, but the one that's in a double. That one leaves a better thread. So to start, you saw me take off the end for better grip and better twisting, and I hold it with my left hand right behind the part that tightens and holds your post in place for better twisting and turning. So it's just back and forth, depending. If you feel a lot of tension, pull back, screw forward, and then just keep going like that. Like I said, in small increments. Your wire will twist, but it won't break. If you hold it too far back, it'll break on you, it'll snap. To find the thread again, just roll it backwards until you hear a click, and there it is. You start going forward again so you don't mess up your thread. And you just keep going like that until you get it to the length that you're looking for or that you're satisfied with. And at the end I will post a picture of the screw back earrings. There you guys go. I hope this helps anybody that's been having trouble. I know I have. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.